Hello Menier. Here's my final part of the project. Here I've imported JSON array, JSON object, files, file patch, scanner, random, This is my main class proc proc2.java. Okay. Okay, here my part 1 starts. And here my part 2 starts here. Here my part 3 starts. I created the stored messages menu here from letter A to X. You must choose one option there. Then I created an if statement for each option from A to X. Then here messages are stored from JSON file to the arrays with this load stored messages from JSON method. Okay, then my main class ends here. So I changed my previous part to okay, while I was making this part 3, I updated my part 2 with this case 3 stored messages menu. I added it to my part 2 to allow part 3 to work correctly. So this is my main class for the project. Okay, let's go to my message class. Okay, my message class that's here. I've imported Java file writer, IO exception, array list, simple JSON object, JSON array. Okay, here's my array list here, public static array list. Okay. Okay. This is my message class here. Here it prints the report. This part here it prints the report, the final report. Here JSON file storage, the messages from JSON are stored here. Then resets messages. This is my message class. Okay, and here is my stored messages class. Okay, here it displays sender and recipient. this is A, sender and recipient. This for sure is B, displays the long messages. The long messages here. Share my this method searches by message ID and display recipient and message. For when you search by message ID, and here you search, and here messages are stored for a recipient, like delete messages by using a message hash. And my stored messages ends here. Stored messages ends here. Okay, let's go back to my main class. Now let's test it and run it. Let's run it. Okay. Okay, it says enter your name. I'm gonna enter the name. And okay, password. Enter cell phone number. Okay. And okay, enter username. Enter password. Enter. Okay, welcome to chat. How many messages do you want to send? Okay, let me say 3 messages. 3 messages. Okay, so I'm gonna send a message, option 1. So I'm gonna, okay, it shows 4 options: send message, show resend messages, stored messages, or quit. So option 1, send a message. Enter. A recipient. Okay, enter your message, makes 250 characters. Okay, let's say hi. Enter. Then let's send this message. Enter. It shows message ID, message hash, recipient, and the message. And total messages sent 1. So let's send another message. recipient, okay, let's see how are you. Enter. But now let's store this message for later. Let's see what's gonna happen. Enter. Okay, choose message stored for later. Okay, let's send the last message. Enter. This is the third message. Okay, enter. Let's store this message also. Okay, enter. Okay, now let's choose option 3, stored messages. Okay, let's first, okay, let's display sender and recipient of all stored messages. Let's choose option A. Okay, enter. So it shows the sender, me. The sender who sent the message is me, and the recipient of the messages sent, I used the same recipient. So okay, for all the 3 messages. Now let's display the longest message stored. Option B. Let's choose option B. The longest message stored, stored message, it's message 3. I am good, how are you? Length 21 characters. Okay, now let's display. We'll come back to CDE. Let's display full report F. This is my full report of the messages sent. Message ID hash, recipient message hi, message 2, message ID, message hash, me the sender, recipient how are you. Okay, message 3, message ID hash, me, recipient, and I am good, how are you. Okay, now let's search message by message ID. Okay, option C. So enter message ID. So let's take this message ID for message 2 and see. Okay, let's enter the message ID. Enter. It shows me message 2, message ID. This is the message ID I entered. Message ID, recipient, how are you? Yeah, this is message 2 here. Okay, let's now search by recipient, search a message by recipient. Okay, option D. Let's choose option D here, and please enter recipient number. Okay, it shows me all the 3 messages I've sent using that recipient. Hi, how are you? I am good. I am good. How are you? Now let's delete a message by hash. So let's delete the third message 3. So I'm gonna copy this hash here. Control-C. Okay, now let's choose option E. Let's choose option E now. Delete by message hash. Enter. Okay, I'm gonna enter my message hash for message 3 and delete message 3. Enter. It shows here message successfully deleted. I am good, how are you? It's deleted now. So let's again display the full report. So option F. So now we have only 2 stored messages, message 1 and message 2. Message 3 is deleted, no more, is dead. Then let's choose option X, back to menu. Back to menu, and let's try to send one more message, our last message. Okay, now I am okay. Let's show recently sent messages, option 2 now. Now I'm done. Okay, this is my POE final part, man. Thank God.